Welcome. In front of me is a TCL Tab 10s, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this tablet. So to get started, you will want to find the content that you wish to capture and have it open on your screen. Now I'll be using just the home screen as an example for this, so it's already open for me. Now once you have it open and visible, you want to hold power key and the volume down at the same time. You'll have a flash with a couple options like scroll, share or delete. Now after a moment it disappears, so don't worry, that's completely normal. Once it disappears, you can find that screenshot in your Photos application. So I'm going to quickly open that up, and you should be able to see it right here at the very front. Nope, that's not it. Guess I'm going to go into Library. I have Screenshots folder, so there we go. There is a screenshot. So there we go. So that is how you can capture your screenshot on this tablet, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.